Hello, today I'm in Audi A8. In this video I'll show you how to manage garage door opener. In the beginning, let's go to car, enter car systems, vehicle settings, garage door opener, and now you can program garage door opener for program button 1, 2 or 3. Just follow the instructions. You can clear program settings and check version info. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.